make them fall in love with you? Is it even possible? I'm gonna tell you the real truth. Well, hello, bonjour. I am coming to you from Paris, and I am really excited to talk about this topic. Can we really make someone fall in love with us? Is this something that you can do, or should you just give up? If you're new here, my name is Arica Angelo, and I am a dating and relationship expert. I've been at this for 11 years helping people find love, and I hope to be a part of your journey. So I'd love for you to give me the opportunity by subscribing and turning on that notification bell, because it's going to let you know when I release another new video for you. So the reality is, yes, of course, you can make someone fall in love with you, but how do you do it? That's the tricky part, right? How do you do it? Now, I've seen so many relationships where it's kind of like the guy isn't that attractive, and you wonder, like, how did he get this beautiful girl? I'm gonna tell you how these guys make women fall in love with them. And it's this one word called transparency or sincerity. You know, transparency and sincerity is something very, very, very rare to find. And when we do find it, we're absolutely shocked, right? Whenever my clients work with me and they pay me to coach them, one thing that they always say is, the reason why I chose you over other coaches is because I feel like you really care. You seem very sincere about what you're doing, like you're actually gonna care about me. And that's just it. When we're taking the chance to give someone our heart, we want to make sure that they're sincere. We want to make sure that they care. This is why when I'm coaching single men, why I'm not a big fan of pickup artists, because it comes from a very disingenuous place. Anytime that you're putting on a show and coming up with lines, a woman is going to feel that. She may have fun with you, she may have sex with you, but her heart, she will never give to you. When a woman decides to give you her heart, which is how a woman falls in love with you, is because of your sincerity, because you're transparent. And when she feels like you're being just authentic, that you really do care about her. That's why it's so important when you're with a woman that you leave expectations at the front door. Don't sit there and get so obsessed with, like, she has to become my wife. We have to have sex tonight. All of these things, these pressures that you're putting on yourself, shut down her heart towards you, because she can feel these expectations coming from you. But when you come with sincerity of, listen, I really just want to get to know you. Who you are as a person is fascinating. Your story intrigues me. That is such a big thing. If a woman starts sharing her story with you, of where she's come from, her trials and tribulations, her victories, her dreams, when a woman starts giving you access to that, that woman is opening her heart to you. And when a woman opens her heart to you, then there comes the opportunity for her to fall in love with you. So the biggest thing I can encourage you with, as crazy as it sounds, and if you're watching a bunch of guys giving advice, they're not going to tell you this because it's just not going to sell their programs. If they get up and say, be sincere, be transparent, be very interested in her and her story, that's not going to make you buy their courses. But the reality is, when you're trying to capture a woman's heart, it's the same thing that my clients say to me. I want to work with you. I am paying you money because I feel like you really care. And that's what women are desperate for. They're so tired of the games. They're so tired of the charades and text messaging 3 days later. People are exhausted with this. We want something real. We're exhausted with reality TV. We're exhausted with a bunch of BS pickup bullshit about how we should be dating. People just want something real. When she's with you, she just wants someone who is real. So I want to encourage you, when you're showing up on a date with her, make sure that the real you is showing up. And if that's hard for you and you lack confidence, or you get really insecure and timid, then please sign up for a coaching session with me. I'd be happy to walk you through this so that you can show up more sincerely and more transparently on your dates with women. But this is sincerely how a woman will fall in love with you. All the other stuff is bullshit, it's games, but this is the reality. And so you have it. You can do this. You have what it takes. So in the comment section below, let me know if this resonated with you. And if it did, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you the next time. Don't you forget to subscribe, and I can't wait to visit you in my next video. Loving you. You take care, babe.